Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to another section of accounts class. Please take your textbook. There, page number 1.138. 1.138. A new type of question we are studying in this chapter. It is mentioned here, guarantee of minimum share of profits. Here, any one partner or any one or more partners share of profit is guaranteed by other partners, and suppose one partner's profit is guaranteed, it is 10,000. When we are distributing the share, if that partner is getting only 8,000, then 2,000 is less, so that 2,000 also he will get. So minimum his share should be 10,000. If it is coming less than that, that is why I told 8,000. If a share of profit is coming 8,000, then he will get 10,000. That 2,000 that he will get either from other partners, or a question will say that any particular partner will give the guarantee, then that partner from his share he will give. Suppose the guaranteed profit is 10,000 and his share of profit is coming 15,000. So minimum profit only guaranteed. It may be maximum will be non-limit. So if he is getting 15,000 share, then it will be like a normal question. He will get 15,000. But in any year, if it is coming less than 10,000, his share is coming 8,000 or 6,000, then also he will get a minimum 10,000. That is the this guarantee of minimum share of profit. What I told that you can understand from the questions. So we are moving to firstly question number 69. 69a. The question is, A, B and C are partners in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. However, C is guaranteed a minimum amount of 10,000 as a share of profits every year. Any deficiency arising on that account shall met by A. Actually, here three partners are there. C's share of profit is guaranteed. A only given the guarantee. So, if C's profit is coming 7,000, then 3,000 will be taken from A. And 7,000 plus that 3,000, C will get 10,000. Okay. Then the meaning of deficiency is, if a guaranteed amount is this 10,000 and if his share of profit is coming 6,000, that difference is known as a deficiency. 4,000 is known as deficiency. The profit for the 2 year ending 31st March 2015 and 16 were 30,000 and 90,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the 2 years. So here we need to show the distribution of profit according to the guaranteed minimum share of profits. Okay. So I am going to make a appropriation account for 2 years. Firstly for 15, then next for 2016. So here, first of all, amount column. This is the middle column. Then here by net profits brought down. And here we are writing the heading P and profit and loss appropriation accounts. For the year ended, for the year ended 31/3/2015, and 16 also we need to prepare afterwards. And here what is the profit of first year? 30,000. And here interest on capital, salary, nothing is there. So this 30,000 will be the divisible profit we can distribute among the partner. Okay. So this 30,000 we are bringing to this side. And the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. That I am writing here to profit transferred to capital. Transferred to capital. A, B, C. A's share is 3 by 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Now we can check it. How much is C's share is coming? The total profit is 30,000. 30,000 divided by 1 by 6. It is coming 5,000. 5,000 only. It is less. How much is the deficit amount? Guaranteed profit is 10,000. So he should get 5,000 from A. Then only 10,000 is coming. So here the deficit is 5,000. Here 1 by 5 that we are getting 5,000. 1 by 6 we are getting 5,000. Then from A is getting 5,000. So total his share will be 10,000. Now A's share will be 3 is to 2 is to 1. So A's share is coming 15,000. Then here we need to write minus to C. 5,000 we are giving to C. That 5,000 we are subtracting. Then it will come 10,000. And for B, according to his profit sharing ratio, it is coming how much? It is coming 10,000 only. He is getting 10,000. No, and from his share we will not deduct anything. Total profit is 30,000. 30,000 divided by 6 into 2. It is coming 10,000. Actually, C's share was coming only 5,000 only, but according to the guaranteed profits, he should get 10,000. So the deficit was 5,000. 5,000 partner A is given. That is why from A we deducted this 5,000. This 5,000 is added here. Now the next case, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2016. Heading you need to write, it is a 31/3/2016 by net profit brought down. Here the profit 16's profit is given 90,000. 90,000 profit is there. This is the total, both the side 90 and 90. Then when you are calculating C's share, 90,000 divided by 6, 15,000 is coming. Guaranteed amount is 10,000. So he is getting more than that. So he will get this amount, 15,000. And here profit transferred to capital A, B, C. 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. And this is coming 15,000. This will be 30,000. This will be 45,000. It is a normal question. If a sufficient profit is there, it will be normal question. If a profit is less, then we need to ensure that this should come minimum 10,000. If any deficit is coming, according to this question, from the first partner, we need to deduct that much amount. So this is over. Now we can go to next question. Okay, we can move to next question. So this question we done. This also we are going to do now. X, Y, Z are partners with a capital of 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. They charge 8% per annum interest on their capital and divide profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. X has guaranteed that Z's share shall not amount to less than 50,000 in any 1 year. Their drawings during the year were 50,000, 40,000, 35,000 respectively. Net profit for the year before providing interest on capital is 2,52,000. prepare profit and loss appropriation account and capital account. And regarding rate of interest on drawing is not given, that is why interest on drawing will not come in the appropriation account. Okay, so we can go to profit and loss appropriation accounts. This will be, heading will be profit and loss appropriation account. Date also we need to mention profit and loss, P and loss appropriation accounts for the year ended 31/3. The year is here. It is what is the year? Year is not given in the question. Year is not given in the question. Then first of all we are writing the net profit by net profit brought down. The profit is given 2,52,252. Then this side to interest on capital, there X, Y, Z. The X, the amount is 4 lakh and interest on capital is given 8%, so this will be 32,000. Then 24,000. The next one is 16,000. 40, then 72. So here the interest on capital is this much. Now the difference amount will be the divisible profit. It will be 2,52,000 minus 72,000. It is coming 1,80,000. So we are balancing and we will get 1,80,000 here. $2,52,000. Okay, so 1,80,000 is the divisible profit. Then partners, the profit sharing ratio, once again we can see it is given 3:2:1. And Z's share, how much it will come, we can check it. This divided by 6, it is coming 30,000. Guaranteed amount, that is 50,000. So 30,000 only coming, 20,000 is a deficit. You see the question, what is the guaranteed amount? You see it is 50. Okay, 30 only coming according to this profit. 1,80,000 is 1/6 is coming 30. 20,000 is less. This is 20,000 who will give? This question is saying that A is given X is given the guarantee. So from X we have to deduct this 30. Okay. So here profit transferred to capital. Profit transferred to capital. There first of all X share is 3/6 in this question, and when you are calculating it will come 90,000. Then minus 2Z. We calculated and we found that how much he will give? 20,000 he will give. So 20,000 we are subtracting and he will get 70,000. So we can do one thing, either this 1,80,000 we can cut from here. So 1,80,000 that we keep in mind. Then 1,80,000 into this calculation we are doing, and this is coming 70. Then for X, after X it is coming Y, and Y's share is 2/6. That is coming 60,000. Then for Z, 1/6. 1/6 is coming 30. Now from X, 20,000 he is getting. So this total is coming 50. Remember, this total altogether will be 1,80,000. So this question, profit and loss appropriation account is over. And the capital account I am telling, I am not preparing that capital account. Listen carefully. capital account you have to prepare with a 3 amount column. In the credit side, this is the credit side of capital account. You write firstly by balance brought down, and capital balance is given, that you can write 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Then by interest on capital also coming this side, that amount is 32, 24, 16,000. After that, by share of profit, by profit and loss appropriation, by profit and loss appropriation, you can write this amount 70,000, 60,000, 50,000. Then credit side is over. Now come to the debit side. There drawings we are writing. It is not interest on drawing. Drawings we are writing. Drawings amount is 50,000, 40,000, 35,000. Then you balance it. Okay. Then capital account will get over. Okay. So this question 69B is over. One more question we can see. Question number 70 will be homework. Okay. Then 71. A, B and C were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Their capital on 1st April 2017 were 5 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh. A had personally guaranteed that in any year C's share of profits after allowing interest on capital to all partners at the rate of 8% per annum and charging interest on drawing at the rate of 10% per annum will not be less than 1 lakh. A personally guaranteed that C's share of profit. Okay. The net profit of the year ended 31st March 2018 before allowing or charging any interest amount of rupees 4 lakh 32. A has withdrawn 5,000 at the end of every month. B has withdrawn 15,000 at the end of every quarter. C has withdrawn 60,000 during the year. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year 2017-18. So this question when you are considering, when we done 69B we done, in that only one difference only there, interest on drawing also given. Okay, interest on drawing we have to calculate, and interest on drawing you have to take in the previous question. If you are this side, interest on drawing will come, and in the total that also will be coming. That only the difference. Okay, so that question I am leaving. We can see some difficult questions. Okay, easy questions you can do homework. That is why question number 71 will be homework. We can see another question. Question number 72. A, B and C were in a partnership sharing profits in the ratio of 1:2:3. Their fixed capital is on 1st April. A 3 lakh, B 4 lakh 50, C 10 lakh. Their partnership deed provided for the following. A provides his personal office to the firm for the business use, charging yearly rent 1,50,000. Remember, rent payable to outside person or rent payable to the partner, both are charged against profit, or it is coming in the profit and loss account. This is not an item in the appropriation account. Whenever we are telling net profit, after deducting this amount, that will be the correct net profit, because rent should be subtracted to get a net profit. Second point, interest on capital 8%, interest on drawing 10% per annum. A was allowed a salary at the rate of 10,000 per month. B was allowed a commission of 10% of net profits as shown by profit and loss accounts after charging such a commission. So B is a commission we are calculating. What is the net profit? That into 10 upon 110, because after charging such a commission. C was guaranteed a profit of 3 lakh after making all the adjustment. C was guaranteed. Who given the guarantee? In the previous question, a particular partner's name is given. Here 3 partners are there, A, B, C, and C was guaranteed the profit 3 lakh after making all the adjustment. Here any particular partner's name is not mentioned. That is why A and B both are should ensure that C should get 3 lakh. And in which proportion? You see, the profit sharing ratio, it is given 1:2:3. The ratio between A and B is 1:2. If any deficiency is coming in this proportion, the ratio between them, in this proportion, they need to contribute from their share of profit. Otherwise, the question will say that other partners will guaranteed if any deficiency is coming, they will share equally, or any other proportion will give. If nothing is given in the question, the ratio between the other partners, that is 1:2, in that ratio they will give the guarantee. So I am going to make the appropriation accounts. 1 second. The question, I think it is not completed. C was guaranteed 3 lakh after making all the adjustment. Net profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 10 lakh 30,000 before making above adjustment. Okay, here 1 to 5 adjustment is given. So before making anything, 10 lakh 30 is the profit. You are informed that A has withdrawn 5,000 at the beginning of each month, B has withdrawn 5,000 at the end of each month, C has withdrawn 24,000 at the beginning of each quarter, and interest on drawing is 10% per annum. Okay, so I am going to enter the solution part. First of all, the account we can make. Heading you need to give. Heading will be profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. You see what is the 31st March, what is the year is given, that you need to write. First of all, by profit brought down. I am not writing net profit because the profit which is given is not a net profit. So profit brought down I am writing. In the question the profit is given 10 lakh 30. Then the item which is coming in the profit and loss account, we are not preparing profit loss account, that is why here we can subtract rent we are subtracting here. The rent is given 1 lakh 50. Then how much is coming? 10 lakh 30 minus 1 lakh 50, 8 lakh 80 na? 10 lakh 30,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh 80,000 is the correct profit. Now this side to interest on capital. Interest on capital is given 8%. So partner's name is A, B, C. A's interest is 8%, that is 24,000, and B 4 lakh 50 into 8%, so 36,000. Next partner is 10 lakh is the capital, so that will be 80,000. One lakh 40 the total. Next one to salary. Who is getting salary? A was allowed a salary. Then A's salary is 10,000 per month, so 1 lakh 20,000. 10,000 into 12. Then B was allowed a commission. To commission, that is a B. Profit is this much, 8 lakh 80. 8 lakh 80 into 10 by 110. 80,000 will come, I think. 8 lakh 80,000 into 10 divided by 110. Yes, 80,000. Here interest on drawing. Interest on drawing A, B, C. A is a drawing. A is a drawing was, it is given A has withdrawn 5,000 at the beginning of each month. So 5,000 into 12 into out of 100 out of 12 beginning of month means 6.5. The rate of this interest is 10. This both we can cut now. $500 into 6.5, 3,250. Then B is drawing. B had withdrawn 5,000 end of each month. So 5,000 into 12 into 10 by 100 into end of month means 5.5 out of 12. So 500 into 5.5. 2750. Now C is drawing. What is given the question? 24,000 at the end of each month, and C has withdrawn 24,000 at the beginning of each quarter. So 24,000 into 4, because 4 quarters are there, that into 10 upon 100 into out of 12. Once again, what is telling? Beginning of each quarter, that will be 7.5. 7.5. This will give the answer of 24,000 into 4 into 7.5, then divide by, it is coming 6,000. Okay, actually the memory is over. My mobile's memory is over. So the rest of the things I will show through next video. Okay, thank you.